Hi everyone, wishing you all a very happy and prosperous 2022. 2022 adds up to 6. 6 represents Venus. Venus is the planet of luxury. It's the planet of all good things. It's the planet of love, commitment, family, relationships. So it's going to be a wonderful year on the whole. For people who are born on the 6th, on the 4th, on the 5th, on the 8th, it's going to be extra special. So if your birth date adds up to 4, 5, 6 or 8, you can consider this year to be a mega year for you. Also, for people who are born on the 3rd, the 7th and the 9th, it is going to be a good year for all of you too, even if your birth date adds up to 3, 7 or 9. So 3, 6 and 9 work in a very good series. So 3, 7, 9, 6, 5, 4, all these numbers are going to do very, very well. So we see people buying a lot of property, we see people buying a lot of luxury items, we see people, it's a settlement year where we see marriages, a lot of marriages happening. People who want to have babies can plan for a baby, people who want to get married this year. So it's a very happy and prosperous year. Venus, it is a luxury planet which is represented by golden color. So you can, if you wear gold metal on your left hand, like if you can wear a gold bangle or a gold bracelet, that will enhance your luck. You can also wear a gold chain around, a thin gold chain around your neck. All these things will enhance your luck. The one thing that you all must be very careful is that don't write the date as, for example, if it's the first day tomorrow, so we don't write it as 1.1.22. We write it as 1.1.2022, because if we write it as 1.1.22, you have made the year come to 4, and 4 is we all know what happened in 2020, so we must beware of that. We should allow the year to total to 4 for us, because 6 is a lovely prosperous number. So we should make a conscious effort to write the date, represent the year as 2022 whenever we are writing the date. The one thing that you can do is that you can float a sky lantern in the sky at night. This is a sky lantern. So you open it up, you can take it out. So there is this camphor thing in it which you hang inside. Make your wish and then just let it flow up high in the sky, and let your wishes get manifested. Let the universe manifest your wishes and make them all come true. So one is this. The lucky colors for this year are pink, purple, golden, red. All these colors are very nice for number 6, and white is also a very good color. Now, so we are looking at this year to be a good year. We are looking at the virus going down. We see less of mortality, less of morbidity. We will be able to handle Omicron in a much better way. People who are living close to volcanoes should be a little careful, because Venus is a very hot planet, and what I feel is that, I hope I'm wrong, but I feel that we could have volcanic eruptions. So people who are close to volcanoes should be careful. And of course, we will experience a big heat wave, because Venus is a hot planet, as I told you. So gear up to face the heat. And otherwise, a very happy and a very prosperous 2022 for everyone. And we see a good change, we see happiness, we see longevity, we see a lot of luxury, we see a lot of prosperity this year. Thank you all, and have a wonderful and a prosperous 2022. Yay!